Ang Solar Sports, itong taon na ito, we are now on free-to-air TV for NCR. But we also have more than 200 cable operators outside of NCR region. So mga Visayas and Mindanao, mga far-flung places, we have all these cable companies na distributing our content. This will definitely help La Liga to be seen in all the homes outside of the NCR. So abot yan hanggang pinakamalayo, Mindanao, no, sa dulo ng Mindanao, and up north sa tuktok ng Luzon, di ba? So yan ang mabigay namin at ma-contribute to MPBL.